What is AEO and why affiliate marketers can't ignore it in 2025? No matter how you're making money online, you need traffic. A new way to drive traffic is AEO. Hi, I'm Marie Grove, and today we're talking about AEO, or Answer Engine Optimization. You've probably heard of SEO, or Search Engine Optimization. That's a way of using certain keywords to rank in Google search results. But here's the big shift: people aren't typing questions only into Google anymore. They're asking AI search engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and even Google's new AI overviews. And guess what? Those AI answers don't always list the top 10 websites. Instead, they summarize answers, usually from just one or two sources. That's where AEO comes in. If your content is optimized for AEO, it gets pulled into those answers. That means you can still get traffic even if you're not ranking number 1 on Google. So how does this work? Here are 3 quick steps. Write content in a question and answer format. Ask the same questions your audience would. Give clear, concise answers at the beginning of your content. Add supporting detail, examples, and data so AI sees your content as accurate. Affiliate marketers who adapt early will be light years ahead. Those who ignore AEO, they'll slowly fade into obscurity. So, now you know what AEO is and why you should care. If you want to learn how to apply this in your affiliate business, click the link in the description for my free AI tool and plan 7 days of content in minutes. I'll see you in the next video.